why looking poor is important. Hey, I'm Shardini. I worked in banking and wealth management with the world's wealthiest in London. Here's why looking poor is important and can help you too. These 8 reasons are going to blow your mind. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1, avoiding lifestyle inflation. A sneaky trap that happens to most people when they start earning more money is they start upgrading their lifestyle. They get a new car, they upgrade their clothes, upgrade the types of vacations they go to, rent or buy a bigger place. You get the idea. But looking poor can help you resist that urge to inflate your lifestyle. Instead of blowing cash on upgrades, you can save and invest it, and thereby growing your net worth. And trust me, those investments will do a lot more for your future than a fancy watch ever will. When those around me and myself in London started earning more money, people around me moved to bigger apartments. Like, friends would double their housing costs, whereas I stuck with the same apartment. It wasn't a great apartment, but I stuck with the same apartment, stuck with the same everything. And actually I negotiated a lower rent in London because I was staying there longer. By keeping my lifestyle costs pretty much the same, I ended up saving and investing. Here's a video on investing for beginners if you want to know more. Number 2, you fly under the radar. When you appear modest, people don't expect you to drop a ton of cash or live a flashy lifestyle. This can protect you from unnecessary spending pressures, whether that's from social circles, marketers, scammers, friends. If people think you're low-key, they'll likely leave you alone, and to me that's a financial win. Number 3, focus energy on your growth, not other people's opinions. When you focus on impressing others, keeping up with the Joneses, you leak energy. You are wasting your energy that could be channeled into growing your wealth and growing yourself. Look, I get it, there's pressure to look the part, but here's the thing, truly wealthy people, they don't care about looking rich, impressing people that they don't care about. They care about maintaining or growing their wealth, leaving a legacy, succession planning, creating value. They're busy buying assets, not outfits. Prioritizing wealth over image is a mindset that can pay off big time. Best part, no one has to know how loaded you are. Your bank account will speak for itself. So redirect your energy to growth. And to help me grow, you can hit that subscribe button. Number 4, avoid peer pressure. Peer pressure, it's real. Whether it's keeping up with the latest cup trend, yeah, okay, I don't really get this one. I read $35 for a bottle. Okay, maybe it's like life-changing, or maybe there's some AI in it. You know what? It's a water bottle. I don't get it. Moving on. Anyway, when you don't act or dress like a baller, there's no pressure to constantly spend. You can stay focused on what matters, building your financial security. So flying under the radar means people don't expect you to live a flashy lifestyle, which can help you avoid unnecessary spending pressures. If people think you're low-key, they'll more likely leave you alone. Number 5, you train your mind to care less about what other people think, and that is incredibly freeing. When I really stopped caring about what other people thought of me, I could make decisions truly for myself, not for anyone else. It didn't matter that I wore the same dress to multiple parties. I like the dress, so I'll wear it. Not having the pressure to buy new things to keep up with who? Ultimately, I find that no one cares what you do except you. I find that other people are so busy thinking about themselves that they don't really think about what you're doing. And to me, that's really freeing. If other people don't care what you do, then you can focus on you. That's so much more time that you have to spend for yourself. Number 6, the wealthy invest in assets, not liabilities. This one is huge. Okay, if you look poor, you're not going to be tempted to drop cash on things that lose value, like clothes, or instead you'll be focusing on buying things that actually grow your money, grow your net worth. Think stocks, real estate, businesses, side gigs that inspire you, investing in yourself. Those are real wealth generators. Number 7, prioritizing future you. Delayed gratification is the aim here, and looking poor can help you master it. Instead of chasing instant highs of expensive purchases, you think of future you and see the value of the bigger rewards down the line. It's a mindset that creates lasting wealth longer term, in my view. Finally, number 8, you have a psychological edge. When keeping things simple, you're actually reinforcing good financial habits. You're not stressing over appearances, and you're way more focused on your financial goals or overall life goals. Looking poor becomes a form of mental discipline, and to me, that discipline is priceless when it comes to building wealth and building your assets. So there you have it, 8 reasons why looking poor could actually be your secret weapon to building wealth. Remember, it's not about what you show the world, but what you're doing behind the scenes to grow your financial future. If this video gave you any new perspectives, you got any value from this video, and for more on how you can master your money and energy, hit the like button, share it with a friend, subscribe. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.